Hello friends, I am Ganesh Kekan. In this video, we will solve one problem on projections of lines. Now problem statement is the top view and front view of line AB measures 70 mm and 58 mm respectively. So top view measures 70 mm, so plan length is 70 mm, and front view of line measures 58 mm. So elevation length is 58 mm. Okay. The line AB is inclined at an angle of 35 degree to HP. So inclination of line with HP is 35. So theta is 35 degree. Okay. The end A is 15 mm above HP, 12 mm in front of VP. So position of point A is given 15 mm above HP, 12 mm in front of VP. Full stop. The other end B is in first quadrant. So it is data given about point B. Okay. So complete line is there in first quadrant only. Draw the projections of line, find its true length and true inclination with VP. So they are asking to find out true length and inclination with VP is phi. Okay, also show its traces. So very simple. How we started? First of all, draw XY line. Okay. Now once you draw XY line, what is the thing? Point A is 15 mm above HP. So what I will do? Vertical line, I will draw 15 mm. Enter. I will repeat line. Vertically down, how much it is? 12 mm. Enter. Okay, so these points are nothing but, you see, I'll show it by projector. Okay, so these points are what? This point is A dash. Okay, and this point is, you see, A, and you can measure this thing. You see, measure this, how much it is? 15 mm. Again you measure this thing is what? 12 mm. Okay, so once we have this, what next? EL and PL is given. So where we mark EL and PL, you see, plan length is to be marked parallel to XY in top view, and elevation length is to be marked parallel to XY in front view. So AB1 will be plan length, A dash B2 dash will be elevation length. So very simple. So from point A dash, elevation length is how much? 58. So from point A dash, I will draw one horizontal line. Length will be 58 mm. Okay, and I will repeat line. From point A, I will draw horizontal line. Plan length is how much? 70. Okay, so once you draw this, what is this? This length is what? This length is elevation length, and you see, this length is what? This length is plan length. So in front view, which point we have? E dash, B2 dash in front view, and AB1 in top view. Now only one thing is remaining. Four parameters we have already used. ELPL is used. Point A ka location above HP in front of AP. Only thing remaining is theta. How much it is? 35 degree. Now you see, we have plan length. You see. Now we have theta. We have plan length. So can we get true length? Yes. From B1, draw vertical line, and from A dash, draw line at an angle of theta. So intersection will give you what? B1 dash. Okay. So it's simple to draw. What? From B1, from point B1, what we are going to do? We will draw one vertical line. Okay, and theta is how much? 35 degree. So take a line from A dash, shift at the rate. Okay, some length we put, let us say 150. Shift less than, angle is how much? 35. Okay, so it will cross the line like this. So excess line you can trim this thing like this. Okay, so this point is what? This point will be B1 dash. Point is B1 dash, and line passing through B1 dash is what? It will be a locus of B dash. It will be a locus of B dash. So this is locus of B dash. Okay, and this length is what? This length is true length, you see, and angle of true length is what? Theta. Angle of true length is angle theta, you see. So this thing I will show by some different color, you see. Okay, so here we have got true length. Okay, What next? What next? In front you see elevation length we have locus of B dash. So what we need to do is by putting A dash point as the center, EL as a radius, draw arc. So take arc, click center, A dash is the center, B2 dash is a starting point, and this point is what? End point here. So it will cut the arc at this location. So you see this is A dash, this point becomes B dash. Okay, these are projectile lines you see. Okay, so this point is what? This point is B dash. This point is B dash, and this length is what? This length is elevation length, and angle of this thing is found to be alpha. Angle is how much? Alpha. So this thing I will show by some different color, you see. Okay, so this is my front view. What next? Next thing is what? Now we know B dash and B. See, B dash and B always lie on same line. Front view and top view of any point always lie on same line. So what we will do, from B dash, we will draw one vertical line. You see, we will draw one vertical line. Okay, so this is the line which small b will lie. So in top view you see you have plan length, length of top view, you have a point as a center, plan length as a radius. If you draw arc you will be getting point B. So again what I will do is take a arc, take center. So a point will be a center, a b1 will be a radius. You draw arc. Okay, press control. So this is my arc. So what I need to do is axis line I can trim. You see, so this is the arc. Show it by faint line. So this is point A, this is point A, and this is point B. This length is what? This length is plan length. This length is plan length, and angle of this plan length is what? Angle of plan length is beta. Angle of, so this is final projection. Okay, so inclination with VP, phi, how we get it? Because phi is what? Phi is angle of true length. Okay, so how we get true length in top view? So you see in front we have point B2 dash. So from B2 dash if I draw vertical line I will be getting B2 on locus of B. So very simple. So from this point we'll be having one horizontal line. This line is what? This line is nothing but this line is locus of B, and this point is what? This point is point B. Okay, so what we will do, from B2 dash draw vertical on this line, you will be getting what? On this line you will be getting B2, and AB2 is what? AB2 will be a true length, and angle made by true length will be phi. So my phi angle is how much? You see, is found to be 47 degree. So I will show it by some different color. Okay, and this length is what? This length is true length. So in this way, you see my projection is complete. Now only one thing is remaining. That thing is what? HT and VT. Okay. So how we get it? You see, once we and they are asking for true length also, no? So you need to measure out the true length. How much it is from this point to this point? It is found to be 85.45. You see. Okay. So you can write down this thing in answer. Okay. So how we get projections? HDVD, extend A dash B dash. So extend up to this line. This point becomes H dash. Okay, extend AB. So extend up to this line. This point is what? Extend up to this line. This point is what? This point becomes point V. Okay. Then from H dash, draw one vertical. Okay. So again, extension, extend up to this. This point becomes H. Okay, and this point is V, no? So from V draw vertical, you will be getting V dash. So how we get it? You see, excess line I can trim. You see, this point is what? You see H dash. This point is H dash. Okay. Then V is what? This point is point V. Okay. And this point is what? This point is H. So this point is H, and this point is what? V dash. So you see H dash, V dash, A dash, B dash, they lie on same line, and this is H, this V, A, B, they lie on same line. So this is my VT and this is my HT. So you can show it by some different color, or you see you can show it by, okay, so this thing is nothing but HTVT. Okay, H dash H is horizontal trace and V dash is vertical trace. So this is about solution of this problem. Okay, I hope you have understood the problem. Thank you.